If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Object Inspector in Acrobat lets you examine individual graphics and text in a PDF. The Object Inspector shows the selection's color mode, transparency, image resolution, and other information. To access the Object Inspector in Acrobat, open the PDF to inspect, click the All Tools link in the top bar if needed. Click the View More link at the bottom of the All Tools panel if needed, and then click the Use Print Production link in the All Tools panel to show the Use Print Production panel in Acrobat. Then select the Output Preview tool in the Use Print Production panel to open the Output Preview dialog box. Then select Object Inspector from the Preview drop-down in the middle of the dialog box. After selecting the Object Inspector, you can click Content within the PDF to see its information. When you click an image in the PDF, information about the image appears at the bottom of the Output Preview dialog box. You can see the size of the image, as well as the image resolution, color space, and file type. If you click Text in the PDF, you can see the dialog box changes to reflect information about the text, including its font size, typeface, and color. One handy feature of the Object Inspector is it lets you save the information shown in the Output Preview dialog box as an Output Preview comment in the PDF so you can access it later. To create a comment, simply hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and then click the object in the PDF when the Object Inspector is selected to create the comment. You can then release the Alt key. When you later close the Output Preview dialog box, you can then hold your mouse pointer over the comment in the PDF to view its information in a pop-up comment window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.